A child with special needs is not easy, but one mom in Oklahoma is getting some much needed support.
And it's coming from her town's police department. So little Braden Hubbard has autism, and his mother was having a tough time getting people to come to his 3rd birthday party. She almost had to cancel the party because so many people canceled. So somebody anonymously, though, at one point called the Yukon Police Department there in Oklahoma and told them about Mom's dilemma.
Told us that there was this little boy with autism that was going to have a birthday party, and asked if we could show up.
For them to take their time out of the day and just for them to come say hi to Braden, just to tell him happy birthday, it means a lot.
The really cool thing about this deal is that, Braden probably won't remember this, but his mom will. And as a parent, you want the best for your kids. You want the very, very best. And especially with a parent with special needs, we were able to provide that to her. We were able to provide just a moment of normalcy, I guess.
Now, you can tell it means a lot to that officer and the others. Braden's mom said that, hey, it took a little bit of time, like any little kid, took a little time for him to warm up, but I mean, before long, he was in the front seat of the patrol car.
Took a little time to warm up to all of his new burly friends
right.
in uniform at the house, but now he's going to be like, next year, who's coming? The whole fire department? Could you please get a fire truck in our front yard?
Now, that would be awesome. I hope the fire department's listening.
He's going to be like, I want a uniform just like them.
Yeah, that's a very cool story.